Yes, yung mga questions na ibibigay ko ay tungkol sa ating second quarter topics. Kaya be ready po ha. So syempre, bibigyan natin ng ballpen lahat ng mga batang magkakaroon ng correct answers dun sa mga questions natin. Syempre, kung yung sagot mo, ballpen. Ay, walang palibre. Ito ay paghihirapan. Okay, number 1. Can you please give me an example of types of context? At least 2.
Literary context, social context.
Very good, congratulations. Okay, another naman. Give me an example of figures of speech.
Personification.
Personification and simile. Very good, congrats. Okay, another question. Parang mga nababasa na sila. Okay, another question. Give me an example of sound devices. Consonants and assonants. Very good, congrats. Okay.
Kaya ako dito ka lang.
Ay, it's okay lang.
Hindi ko siya lang.
Wala pa kang question eh. Okay, another question. So why do you think we need to use narrative techniques in narrating a story? To make the story very good. Okay, syempre dadalhin ko dito. Give me an example of narrative technique. Sino? Sige. Tone and mood. Very good. What is maxim? What is maxim? Sige.
Life lesson lang ako kaya gusto.
It gives life lessons and wisdom. Aside from that. It is short.
Short and understand.
Short and? Yes. Short and?
Ano?
Yes. Very good. Remarkable. Congratulations. Picaro. Can you please give me an example of prose? Prose. Yes. Heroic prose. Very good. Give me an examples of elements of prose. I'll give you at least 3. Yes. Shan. Wow, congrats. Maybe the last question. It talks about how the author reveals the character or the personality of the character in the story. Ikaw talaga. Yes. Mariel. Characterization. Very good. Congratulations.
Kaya't huwag kalilimutan mag-like, comment, share, and follow for more videos. Kaya't hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for watching. Bye!